unboxing a Kyonano knockbox for coffee today. Coffee grounds. Feel the difference. Knocking bar with additional layer of anti-noise silicone, more robust, detachable and noise-reducing knocking rod, rubberized and non-slip base. So fairly simple product, precisely manufactured contours with the very highest quality standards, ultralight materials for even better handling with latte art. Not sure how that factors into how you make a coffee if it's a knockbox, but anyway, materials bamboo and stainless steel. So I found that a lot of knockboxes are just boring black designs. So I wanted something a little different. Kind of wrecking the box here as I try and open it one-handed. We'll just cut the tab. There we go. So that's the bubble wrap out. A little, some creepy little feet for the bottom. You just cut them and stick them on. And yeah, it's basically a wooden bamboo box with a fairly standard kitchen metal box that goes in there, and you just knock your grounds out into that, and it comes with a little card. Thank you for your purchase. After sale service. I don't think there's going to be much to worry about with this either breaking, although interestingly, it doesn't seem like it's a perfect fit, so it moves around a bit, but that can be fixed up with a bit of wadding on the side, and it'll just stay to one side, and then you can cut these feet for the knocking. So I'll leave it at that for this. Pretty simple. I would actually say that this is probably just a industry standard container for food, drilled out with a rubber hose, a rubber knocking bar, and then this is just an off-the-shelf bamboo box, nothing custom. So an assemblage of off-the-shelf parts, which should be why this isn't this moves around. But anyway, I'm happy with it, so I'll leave it at that.